Every single day you wake up as a teenager, you burn 24 hours you will never get back. Not pause, not slow down, gone. Most teens won't feel that until they're 25, broke and directionless, replaying every moment they threw away. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to make sure you don't become that person. You wake up, grab your phone before you're fully conscious, scroll for 20 minutes, go through your day on autopilot, come home, eat something, open TikTok, open YouTube, and suddenly it's midnight. You didn't plan for that. It just happened. Again. And the scary part isn't that you're lazy. The scary part is that it feels completely normal, because everyone around you is doing the exact same thing. But here's what nobody is saying out loud. The habits you're building right now, the identity you're forming right now, the standards you're accepting right now, those aren't temporary. They're locking in, quietly, every single day. I'm not telling you this as someone who had it figured out. I'm telling you this as someone who didn't and watched years disappear while feeling completely fine about it. The adults around you are too careful to say this directly. I'm not. So here are 5 things you are silently losing right now and the exact move to stop it on each one. 1. You're spending your highest energy years on your lowest value activities. Your brain right now is more plastic, more powerful, and more capable of building lasting skills than it will ever be again. Neural pathways form faster and stronger during your teenage years than at any other point in your life. What you repeatedly do right now doesn't just become habit, it becomes identity. Most teens pour that window into content they'll forget by tomorrow. You're going to create something instead. Do a brutal, honest audit. Write down what you did yesterday, hour by hour, and label each block built me or drained me. Then replace one passive hour daily with one creation hour. Write, train, build, record, anything that produces output. Your teenage body is a supercar. Stop using it to sit in the driveway. 2. Your environment is deciding your future without asking you. During your teenage years, your brain automatically mirrors the standards of whoever you're around most. Not consciously, automatically. You don't choose to inherit your friend group's ceiling, your nervous system does it to keep you accepted. Most teens never question this. You will. Write down the 5 people you spend the most time with. Score each one honestly. Do they push you up or hold you flat? You don't need to cut anyone off, but you must deliberately add one high-standard influence every single week. And stop laughing when ambition gets mocked in your group. That laugh is you voting against yourself. You can love your people and still refuse to inherit their ceiling. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear, and it's coming up next. 3. Every time you choose comfort, you are lowering your future threshold. Comfort at your age doesn't feel like a problem. It feels like rest. It isn't. Repeatedly choosing ease during your development years builds a nervous system with a low tolerance for difficulty. The research is clear. Voluntary exposure to hard things during development builds real resilience. Avoiding difficulty shrinks your capacity permanently. Pick one thing you've been avoiding this week. Do it today before you do anything enjoyable. Add one hard physical act daily. Run, lift, cold shower. Not for how you look, for proof that you can. Every morning before you touch your phone, ask one question. What's the hardest thing I need to do today? Start there. Difficulty right now is a deposit. Comfort right now is a debt. You're choosing which one you pay later. 4. Your future self is already paying for what you're not starting today. The most dangerous teenage belief is, I have time. It reframes procrastination as patience and makes drift feel responsible. A skill started at 15 has 10 years of compounding before age 25. The same skill started at 22 has 3. That gap in outcome isn't 7 years, it's a completely different life. Stop searching for what you're meant to do. Start one skill for 90 days. Any skill requiring real effort. Passion follows competence. It does not come before it. Write a letter from your 25-year-old self to you right now. Make it honest. What would he be grateful you started? What would he be furious you wasted? Your future self doesn't need your reasons. He needs what you build today. 5. Nobody is coming to save your teenage years. You're waiting for a teacher to care, for motivation to arrive, for the right moment to feel right. That wait is the most expensive habit you can build. Internal locus of control, the belief that your outcomes are determined by your actions, not your circumstances, is one of the strongest predictors of long-term success ever measured. And it's built through one thing: small acts of self-directed action repeated daily. Every time you catch yourself waiting, replace the wait with one immediate action. Build one daily non-negotiable, one thing you do every day regardless of how you feel. And stop consuming content about discipline without producing evidence of it. Nobody is coming. That's not a tragedy. That's a door. And right now, it's wide open. These 5 truths aren't a checklist, they're a mirror. Most teenagers will watch this, feel something for 10 minutes, and go right back to drifting. That's their choice, and they'll live inside the consequences of it. But if you're still here right now, that means part of you already knows. You're not watching this by accident. The only question is whether you respect yourself enough to act while the window is still open. Comment, "I'm not waiting anymore." Not for me, but as a contract with yourself. And if you're serious about not becoming 25-year-old who wishes he'd started earlier, subscribe. Every video on this channel is built for the version of you that refuses to drift.